All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Algorand family. Appreciate you guys. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening with Algorand today and what we could be expecting going into obviously this upcoming weekend. But looking across the board, you are seeing the market picking up traction yet again. And I'm sure at this point everyone knows what happened with the market. If not, if you have been away for the day, I will kind of briefly go over what's happening. But again, if you want to see more of these Algorand updates on a regular basis, do let me know in the comments down below. So starting off, comparing Algorand, against the broader market, it is down about 3.2% on the daily time frame. If we're looking at it on the hourly time frame, though, it's up about 1.7%, which is great. So we'll definitely take that. Price currently sitting at 46.4 cents, down 3% as mentioned in USD, but we're up 2.1% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at about 3.85 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $800 million. But yeah, before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer for you guys. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the dominance index, you guys know it's not a Crypto ZX update unless we talk about what's happening with the dominance index. Let me show you guys on the hourly time frame. So take a look at this. So of course we know that the dominance has been pretty much going down since November 21st. And around this time, we know our good old friend Gary Gensler made an announcement that he will be stepping down, no longer going to be the SEC chair. And here we are. Since then, the dominance actually did coincidentally start going down. And again, not a coincidence at the end of the day. Obviously, maybe a lot of people, a lot of big players were kind of on the sideline, especially for altcoins, waiting for that Gary Gensler announcement to come, and that happened. So since then, dominance went down. But of course, as we went down to the likes of 54.75%, we we saw Bitcoin breaking out about 48 hours ago to that six-figure price point, took the dominance up to the likes of 57%. And yet again, now we are seeing the dominance falling down. And of course, if you watch my market analysis update, you guys know, we saw a major shakeout after hitting the six-figure price point, and this was needed. Welcome to the crypto space, especially if you're new. This is part of a regular occurrence. Literally, we dropped 12% for BTC. As people started getting mega bullish on Bitcoin after it broke out of the 100,000, which is mega bullish. And right now, even if you look at it, Bitcoin is in a massive upward trajectory. But I think this was needed to shake out, all the futures trades. And, that did happen. And now you can see, the price of Bitcoin is picking up like it never left. And we could be actually heading towards $100,000 by tomorrow morning. And that would not be a surprise, because if you want to put this into perspective, Bitcoin only needs a move of about 2.34% for it to get back up to the 100K. So that would be great to see. And with the dominance falling like this, I think this could cause the likes of some of these altcoins to start picking up traction again, including Algorand. But speaking about Algorand, if you're looking at it on the daily time frame, you guys can see, of course, we're still above the key resistance. Yes, we're still above this key resistance, which is, of course, now come as a level of support. But what's quite interesting this time around for me when I'm analyzing the price of Algorand is that we didn't even retest. So of course, after you break out a key resistance, usually a significant resistance, is treated like a major support. Usually it does turn into support. But what the crazy thing right now is we didn't even retest it, if I'm not mistaken. Let's actually take a look at it on the hourly. There you go. Yeah, we did not even retest that key resistance. And again, that tells you about the significance of the momentum currently still. Of course, when we broke out of there, remember, as I said just a few seconds ago, when you break out of a major key resistance, you expect that resistance to turn into support. That's exactly that's the first thing the price of Algorand did after we broke out. Look at that. Broke out of that major key resistance, a few bounces literally at that key support, and then of course we headed towards that 60 cents price point. Saw a very nice healthy correction. If you want to put the correction in terms of percentage, about a 30% drop. And I know a lot of people are going to be like, whoa, 30% drop is insane. But let's kind of go back down memory lane. From November 4th, if you picked it up, you saw Algorand go up 458%. Can't be forgetting that. After 458%, a 30% drop. Are we serious, guys? That is amazing to see. So, so far, so good, especially if you're looking at it on the hourly time frame. It doesn't look as bad as you guys might think, especially the fact that, we still did not retest this key support. And, that really is bullish to me. So I'm liking the way it's currently sitting. And of course, the targets are the same right now. And yes, I'll repeat this 1,000 times. We have not left the bear market zone for Algorand. I know some people don't like hearing this, but yes, it's true. the bear market cycle comes to an end once we get back in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And as of now, we haven't seen that, but that would be the next target once we break out. For the next move, the next leg up, would be that major resistance around the 69 cents price point. If that is able to clear out, I think we could see some excitement, probably that dollar price point that a lot of people are waiting for. So so far so good in terms of market valuation for Algorand. It is around 3.8 billion. And yeah, honestly, I could see that next leg up be quite a major one, especially with the dominance, the way it's still holding. It still wants to continue to fall, and that is going to be a bullish thing for altcoins. And Algorand, I think, is going to take advantage of that, just basing it off of the move that we have seen over the course of the last 2 weeks. But let me know down below what you guys think. What are you guys doing right now? What are your personal predictions in terms of Algorand? Love each and every one of you guys. Could not thank you guys enough for all your support. We'll see you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.